What's going on, guys? It's a video with a flowmaster done in the car. It's a 2011 Dodge Challenger. It's a V6, so excuse it, but it's a flowmaster Super 10 installed. Basically, the pipe here, if you guys can see it, this is straight pipe, and the muffler is in the middle. Sorry, somebody with his bike. The muffler in the middle. Let's see if you guys can see that real quick. There it is. It's a dual in and dual out muffler, Flowmaster Super 10. The rest is a straight pipe. Everything else in the engine is stock. This is basically not gonna be really a cold start, but in between, because the engine is not that warm yet. As you can see, put it on contact. It's not on medium temperature anyway, but here we go. Phone fell, but you guys can kind of get the idea. The part number is, sorry, I have to get the key out to get that sheet to get the part number for you guys. It is 8425154. Again, 8425154. Flowmaster Super 10 dual exhaust, dual in, dual out. Single exhaust, dual in, dual out. Not single in, single out. Alright, so yeah. Have a good one. Inside the car, sorry, you guys can kind of hear from the inside. It's not too bad. So yeah.